Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities with respect to the freshers as well as for remote jobs. And we will also share the experienced job opportunities with you. So the first job opportunity is with respect to the walk-in interview, walk-in drive that is happening tomorrow on 31st of December. This is for freshers who want to kickstart their career in the field of software testing. And initially, it would be the training role, and in the training, you would be paid 12,000 per month. And once the training is completed, once you are done successfully with the training, then you would be getting a package of 3.5 LPA upon the successful completion of the training itself. So what you have to do is you have to share your confirmation email for the walk-in drive, and date is 31st of December. Timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. at this particular email address. You need to share your resume and the candidature, and then you would get the reward back. Then IServU Technology is hiring for freshers, junior level product management team. So the location is Bhubaneswar, and the responsibilities are assist in creating PRDs, user stories, and acceptance criteria, collaborate with design, engineering, and QA teams, conduct market and competitor research, support user testing and feedback collection, maintain product documentation and dashboards, perform research and analysis for feature planning. So this this is a role for freshers or for candidates with up to 1 year of experience, and someone who has done BE, BTech in computer science, IT, or related fields can apply. Good communication skills is a must for this, and you can share your CV at this particular email address. Then Deep Intent is expanding for their engineering team in Pune. They are hiring for backend data, UI, QA, and support-based roles. So you can check out the roles here for backend for data engineering, for front end for QA, senior software engineering test, and for support. Then the next requirement is for software QA engineer, manual, web, and mobile. And the requirement is for 2 to 4 years of experience in QA, experience in testing web and mobile applications, strong knowledge of SDLC, SDLC is required, hands-on experience with bug tracking tools, and experience with API testing, Postman is required. So it's a remote job. So this is a link. What I'll do is I'll put all the links and the email addresses in the first comment of the video, so you can apply from there itself directly. Then there's a requirement for senior software QA engineer, automotive domain, and the location is Mumbai, and the company name is Intel ES India. 6+ years of QA testing experience is required, hands-on HMI navigation testing, strong knowledge of SDLC, and Agile and QA methodologies is required, and you can apply at this particular email address. Then there's a requirement for senior QA engineer, Salesforce QA engineer, and experience is again 4 to 7 years. Location is Pune, remote, and the shift timings are 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST. So this is a QA role, Salesforce QA role. So if you are someone who knows Salesforce, then you can apply. 4+ years of experience as a QA engineer in the Salesforce is required. Strong API testing and backend QA experience, good understanding of ETL and data flows, working knowledge of SQL, experience testing Salesforce or CRM-based applications is required. So you can share your resume at this email address with the subject line Senior QA Engineer. Then there's a requirement for a senior QA engineer role, and the company name is Hyper, and they are looking for someone who can do end-to-end manual plus automation work, and can work closely with the engineering to ship reliable, scalable products. So this is a link wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for QA, again, manual testing. Location is Gurgaon. Joining is immediate to max 10th of January. And this is the email address which is available. They're looking for someone who has got automation exposure in Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, and cross-browser and functional testing, defect tracking using tools like Jira. So these all things are required. Then there's an internship opportunity for the Pune-based location, and they are looking for. Right. So this role requires daily in-person coordination. So they do not have physical office in Pune, but how the work would be happening is you'll be checking in the morning and in the evening it will be winding up. And you would be attending meetings at the co-working spaces or in the cafes. No fixed office, no desk, no badge. So these are the things. Internship is 8,000 per month. After internship, it would be 50,000 per month. 50,000 completion bonus after 6 months. So it's a good opportunity. Now, EPAM company is looking for Java automation testers to join their team, and they are looking for someone to join with respect to the walk-in drive. Face-to-face walk-in drive is there on 10th of January 2026. So mandatory skill sets are Java, UI automation with Selenium, API automation with REST Assured, Jenkins, design patterns, CI/CD, SQL, SDLC methodologies. So all these things are required, and the experience required is 6 to 15 years. And if you're interested, you can share your updated profile at this particular email address. And you need to share along with that the following details like total years of experience, relevant experience in Jenkins, rest assured, notice period, current CTC, expected CTC. Then there's a requirement for automation test engineer, QA automation engineer. Location is Mumbai, and it's a work from office role. 5+ years of experience is required, and they are looking for someone who has got skills in C Sharp, .NET, MS Playwright. With respect to testing, you should have knowledge in UI, API integration, end-to-end regression, UAT. So good to have is ISTQB certificate, so you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement for QA lead. It's a remote role for e-commerce domain. And what you would be doing is you would be leading QA activities for web and mobile e-commerce platforms, own test planning, execution, and defect management, drive automation initiatives, and ensure high quality releases, work closely with product and engineering teams. So if you're interested, you can share your profile at this email address. So these are a few of the job opportunities for QA, for freshers as well as for experience. Now let me share one more job opportunity with you. So there is a hiring going on in this particular company, and they are looking for Power BI developer, functional project developer, Python developer, quality engineer, QA. 4+ years of experience is required. Full stack engineer, 4+ years. Data engineer, 4+ years. Java developer, 4+years. So the location is Indore, and it is work from office role. So this is a good company, and they have got multiple openings as of now. So you can apply to this particular company, and we don't have email addresses, but you can search it online and you can apply. You can directly upload your profile to the careers portal of this particular website for getting the calls, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.